We've all been there, staring at a to-do list, knowing what needs to be done, but somehow we just don't start. Hours pass, the stress builds up, and we feel even worse. That's procrastination, and it affects our productivity, our confidence, and even our mental health. Procrastination isn't just about being lazy. Most times it comes from fear. Fear of failing, fear of not doing it perfectly, feeling overwhelmed. Sometimes distractions like social media give us temporary relief but leave us feeling guilty later. Problem is, procrastination doesn't just delay our work, it creates stress. It makes us anxious, hurts our self-esteem, and traps us in a cycle of guilt and worry. Over time, this can even lead to bigger mental health struggles like burnout or depression. Instead of saying, I'll finish the whole project today, start with one small step. Tell yourself, I'll work for just 5 minutes. Most times you'll keep going once you start. Put your phone away, log out of social media, and create a focus-friendly space. Give yourself a timeline and hold yourself accountable. Celebrate small wins. This builds momentum. If you slip, don't beat yourself up. Start again with kindness. Procrastination isn't a sign of weakness, it's a habit. And like all habits, it can be changed. By starting small, staying focused, and being kind to yourself, you can break the cycle, get things done, and feel lighter, happier, and more in control of your life.